Hi friends, welcome to Learning from Docs. Today we'll learn Rust concepts in a simple way. Let's get started.
Getting started with Rust. Install Rust. Write your first program. And meet Cargo, Rust's build system and package manager. Installation.
Rust installs through rustup, a command line tool for managing Rust versions and associated tools. On Linux or macOS, install Rust by running this command in your terminal. On macOS you may also need a C compiler for linking. Install the developer tools with xcode-select-install. On Windows, visit the official Rust install page and follow the prompts to install Visual Studio, which provides the necessary linking tools. To check that Rust installed correctly, ask for its version with rustc-version.
Managing your toolchain. Update to the latest Rust with rustup update. Remove Rust entirely with rustup self-uninstall. And open the offline documentation in your browser with rustup doc. Hello, world.
With Rust installed, let's write the first program. Create a directory to keep your project organized. Make a new file called main.rs and enter this code. Compile it with rustc, then run the executable. You'll see "Hello, World" printed to the screen.
What's happening here? The main function is always the first code that runs in every executable Rust program. Println is a macro, not a function. The exclamation mark is how you call a macro, and Rust is ahead of time compiled, so you can share the executable and others can run it without Rust installed. Hello, Cargo.
Cargo is Rust's build system and package manager. It builds your code, downloads the libraries your code depends on, and builds those libraries too. The vast majority of Rust projects use Cargo. Create a new project with Cargo, which sets up the files and folders for you. Cargo generates a Cargo.toml file describing your package and the dependencies it needs. Rust packages are called crates.
Everyday Cargo commands. Cargo build compiles your project into the target debug folder. Cargo run builds and runs it in a single step. And Cargo check verifies it compiles without producing an executable. And it's much faster.
When you're ready to ship, build with optimizations turned on. The result lands in the target release folder. Next steps. You've installed Rust, run your first program, and met Cargo. Explore the Rust book to keep going.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends and colleagues. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial from Learning from Docs. See you in the next video.